and it just snaps right in there into place. There's a little rubber peg in there, pops right on there. Then clamp it down, clamp that to your throttle body, and then this goes to your intake tube, or for the stock system I believe this goes straight into your MAF. I could be wrong, but it's been years since I've actually had my intake system. I went to a cone filter. Inside looks pretty clean. Really not much you have to do for that. I mean, you could take off your stock one and clean it out, but it's probably just going to be a little bit of dust in there because this is after your filter section. So if this is really dirty, you've got a big problem with your filter. And this is a brand new part anyway. I think this is a Dorman part for Ford Probe 2-liter. Fits right on the 626. Perfect matchup. Here's my engine. There's the throttle body. And that's right where my air resonator should go. The air resonator. This is the 4-cylinder engine. That's my new powder coated valve cover. It should slip down in there. Make sure it's all clamped up. Now, this whole assembly is not supported by anything. The only thing that this is connected to is the throttle body and the intake. So if you got a lot of weight on here, one point of failure or leaks could form right at your throttle body. The thing is just loose. It's sitting in there. This is an aftermarket part. On the factory part, the clamp can only go on one way and in one location. But this aftermarket part doesn't have the little bumper stops, so you can align the clamp anywhere you want. Alright, that's good and tight. Air reservoir's on there good and tight. Clamp that down back here. Now the only thing left to do is put my MAF back on. Oh, okay. God, this air filter needs to be replaced. I know, don't give me any shit for that either. Come on. Oh, shit. Yeah. It'd be a good idea to loosen the clamp before you actually do anything. That could be smart. Could be. Oh yeah, butter. Butter, butter, butter. Good. Okay. Okay, so that's hanging down. It's still loose. Loosey-goosey. Not good. I've got to find something to brace this crap with. This is unsatisfactory. Right, y'all. Okay, final step. Put your breather hose back on. Right in there like butter. Butter, butter, butter. Other than the bracing, that's done. Okay, well that's all done. Now you can laugh if I blow up the car. I haven't started it in 4 weeks. Had the valve cover off. Had the intake off. It's the first time, so. For all of you that are interested in hearing what a cone filter sounds like on a Mazda 626, I'll give you a quick demonstration.